guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna share with you another recipe, which is kimchi in my own version. So let's start making. Guys, first of all, I have this Chinese cabbage, or they call it Napa cabbage. So what we're gonna do now is to cut it into quarter. Yeah. So what you do is just cut here, then you pull it, and then cut another half. Yeah. Same thing as the other one. And now what we're gonna do is to cover all this with salt. So what we do is you must make sure that all the leaves must have the salt. Yeah. So you just cover all. Okay, now so what we do is we leave this one for at least 1 to 2 hours, yeah, or until you can see the leaves become withered already. Then we can rinse all the salt with water. Yeah. Okay guys, can you see this? This is after I soak for 2 hours. So you can see the difference before I put the salt, right? Now it's different. Look at the vegetable become withered already. So now what I'm gonna do is to rinse this one properly, and I'm gonna show the next steps. Yeah. This is the cabbage that we already done soaking. Earlier I soaked it for 2 hours with salt, and after that I rinse off all the salt with water, and I soak it back for 2 times with 5 minutes each in order to get rid of all the salt. So we make sure that this one is not very salty. Yeah. We cut this one and we have to spin it because we don't want any water in it. Yeah. So now all this done, what we're gonna do is we're gonna spin this one. So guys, we just spin this for maybe few minutes just to get rid of those extra water, because we don't want the water to dilute the flavor of our kimchi. Yeah. You can see that. Okay, so this is ready. And now what we're gonna do is to make our sauce. We have this onion. It's a medium size of onion. So we're gonna cut this. Cut into small piece. And we're gonna blend this. And I have this 1 thumb size of ginger, and I'm gonna cut it into small piece. Put inside the blender, and I have this 4 cloves of garlic, cut into half and put inside. And I have this fresh red chilli. This is the one, okay, and I cut it into half and deseeded. Yeah, because I don't want the seeds, because the seeds is the one who make it very hot. So what we do, I'm gonna slice this. Okay, and I have this pear. Okay, what we want is only 1/2 of this, and then if you don't have the pear, you can substitute this one with the apple. Yeah, half of an apple. So you just take out the seeds. Make sure that you wash it properly so that you can include the skin. Cut into small pieces, put inside. And I have this 1 tablespoon of sugar, put inside. And 2 tablespoons of chili powder. And 1/3 cup of fish sauce. Yeah. And lastly, I have these secret ingredients where if you want to know this, you can message me after you watch this video. Yeah, this is the secret ingredients where you make your kimchi taste awesome. Okay, And now what we do is to blend all this. So guys, I already done blending my ingredients for at least 1 minute, but it depends of your speed of your blender, yeah. But just make sure that your sauce is like smooth paste, so you have to stop it, yeah. So what we're gonna do now is to mix all this, yeah. So what we do is we put this cabbage inside. I have this spring onion, 100 grams. Just cut this like 2 inches long. And we put it inside also, yeah. And now we pour in our sauce inside. Look at that. So now you're gonna mix all the sauce with the cabbage, yeah. You mix them well. All the cabbage is covered with the sauce. Okay, and then after this, we have to put this one in the container and let it ferment for at least 8 hours. After that, that's the time that you can serve this and can enjoy your kimchi, yeah. So that's it, guys. This is my kimchi in my own version. Thank you guys for watching my video, and I hope you like and share and subscribe for more upcoming recipe. Bye guys!